Element-wise addition of two lists. I have now. I wish to have. Simply an element-wise addition of two lists. I can surely iterate the two lists, but I don't want to do that. What is the most Pythonic way of doing so?
Use map with operator.add. Or zip with a list comprehension. Tiling comparisons.
The others gave examples how to do this in pure Python. If you want to do this with arrays with 100.000 elements, you should use NumPy. Doing the element-wise addition is now as trivial as, just like in MATLAB. Timing to compare with the Sweeney's fastest version. So this is a factor 25 faster. But use what suits your situation. For a simple program, you probably don't want to install NumPy, so use standard Python, and I find Henry's version the most Pythonic one. If you are into serious number crunching, let NumPy do the heavy lifting. For the speed freaks, it seems that the NumPy solution is faster starting around n equals 8.
As described by others, a fast and also space-efficient solution is using NumPy, NP, with its built-in vector manipulation capability. 1. With NumPy. 2. With built-ins. 2.1 Lambda. Notice that map supports multiple arguments. 2.2 zip and list comprehension.